Hello, my name is Afla Bashir. In this experiment, we are developing a prompt serialization for loading and for saving and loading the prompts. So, this tool simulates how a prompt templates can be created, saved, loaded, and executed, similar to how developers build reusable prompt structure for AI models like ChatGPT or Gemini. So, let us go to our code now. Now, the purpose of our program. The goal of this experiment is to design a small interface where a user can create and name a prompt, then save it to a JSON for file for reuse, load a previously saved prompt, and run the prompt dynamically by inserting an input value. As a bonus, this experiment also include a small offline antonym dictionary to make the output interactive. Now, step two, it is the data setup. At the top, we import the required modules, tkender for GUI creation, message box and file dialog for alerts and file operation, and JSON for saving and loading prompt templates. We also define a dictionary. This is the dictionary, which shows some predefined words like happy, where the antonym of happy is sad, hot is cold. Okay, now step three is our GUI layout. So the interface has five main sections: prompt name entry box, where we have to give our name to a custom prompt, then prompt template text box where we write a pattern containing a placeholder, then input value box where we type the actual word to insert into the template, then button section for save, load, and run action, or then the output box where the generated output is displayed. Now our step four is saving and loading the prompt. Okay, the save prompt function collects the main name and templates, packs them into a dictionary, and save them as a JSON file. Similarly, the load prompt, this is the load prompt function, uses a file dialog to open a JSON file, read the saved data, and automatically populate the name and template boxes. Then step five is running the prompt. The run prompt function is where the actual logic happen. It takes the user's input word, replaces input in the template with the provided text, and then checks if that word exists in our antonym dictionary. If found, it appends the antonym to the output. For example, template word input equal to antonym. Input will be hot, then output will be cold. Then step six is the user interaction, where at the bottom we create three buttons. They are save prompt, which calls the save prompt, then load prompt, so which it calls the load prompt, then run prompt, executes the template with the given input. Then now we can see our program, run our program to check the output. So yeah, the prompt name, we can give the prompt name as Antonium file. Copy this and paste it there, and then this will be the prompt template. Then we can type our word. I'm typing hot, then I'll save the prompt. Okay, then I'll run the prompt. Generated output, word hot, the antonym of hot is cold. So in summary, this experiment demonstrates the core ideas of prompt templating, how we can dynamically generate respond by substituting user inputs to reusable text templates. It also shows basic file handling with JSON and the use of tkinder for an interactive interface. Thank you.